Welcome back to Learn Earn Crypto channel. Today's video is about the introduction to TradingView and how to set up your indicator so you'll be ready to invest in cryptocurrency. Now you can go to the tradingview.com and click on the chart. Now this is where you can access the charting tools for your technical analysis before entering into a trade. You can register for free, but with some limitations, like a limited indicators can be used in a specific chart, but this is still good enough for beginners. You can also download this on your mobile app or download the desktop app. Okay, now let's go first to the watch list. This is the first thing you can do. You can create your own watch list and you can add a different cryptocurrency you want to do some technical analysis or you want to buy or sell. Here you can create your own watch list, create a new list, and you can add the different cryptocurrency, or if you're trading a US stock, you can also add the stock code. But let's focus on the cryptocurrency. You can add the symbol and search for the cryptocurrency. Here you can see the stock, futures, forex, CFD, crypto index, economy. But let's talk about the cryptocurrency. Let's search for the Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin USD Tether pair under the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. Let's add this. And this is the Bitcoin chart. On the upper left, you can see the different time frame: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. You can click on this button to see the different time frame. But since we're a long-term holder, position trader, we basically look only on the daily and weekly and monthly time frame. Now let's try to add the different indicators. Here you can click on the indicators button and you can add, let's say we add a simple moving average. You can also type here and search for the indicator you want to add. And here you can see the different indicators, predefined indicators used by different traders. For this case, I already added some indicators as my favorite, so I can easily add. Now let's add the simple moving average and moving average exponential. The volume is already there, and let's add the logarithmic MACD. Here you can modify the moving average and just click on the settings button, and if you want to see a 20-day moving average, then you can change it. 20, 50, 100, 200, this should be okay. And this side, you can change the color of the line and the thickness. Click OK. And there you have your moving average indicator. And this is the volume. And this is the logarithmic MACD. If you notice, I'm using the logarithmic moving average convergence divergence instead of the simple MACD indicator. The reason why I use the logarithmic MACD is in cryptocurrency trading or in cryptocurrency, it is best to use the log scale. To turn on the log scale, you can go to the lower right and click on this toggle log scale. And if you disable this one, it will show you the linear scale. A linear scale uses an equal value between prices scales, providing an equal distance between values. Here you can see the price scale 20,000 US dollars and 16,000 US dollars. The difference is 4,000 US dollars. And the next price scale shows the same equal value, the same difference, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Now if we use the log scale, it uses the percentage of change. So from 20,500 and 18,500, this shows the difference in percentage. And if you calculate the same difference between the upper price of 23,500 and 20,500, it will show you the same percentage difference. Logarithmic price scales are better than linear scales because it shows the less severe price increase or decreases. Just like, for example, if we look on the weekly chart or the daily chart, this is the log scales. Or let's see the Brave New Coin Liquid Index for Bitcoin, so we can see the history from day one. Here you can see a nice chart showing the price increase and decrease. But if we use the linear scale, it will show you the severe change of prices, which is not good for tracking the price. So we continue to use the log scale. Now let's look at how to use the different tools for your technical analysis. We can go back to the Bitcoin chart under Binance Exchange, and we go to the daily chart. Here on your left side, you'll see the different tools. You see the trend line, arrow, ray, horizontal line, vertical line, and others. And here, if you know how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can use this, Canbox, and different tools. You can use the brush, draw a rectangle, triangle for a potential trading pattern. You can add text and mark arrow left, right, up, or down. Now if you want to use or you want to add the tools in your favorite bar, you can just click on the star to mark and add to your favorites, so you can easily use them when you do your technical analysis or when you draw in your chart. Now before we review the Bitcoin chart, I want to show you the Bitcoin logarithmic curve indicator. Let's turn up first the volume, moving average indicator, and then go to the BLX, change to weekly chart, now let's add the logarithmic growth curve indicator. We can remove some of the lines. Here you can see the Bitcoin chart price from day 1 until current day, and it will show you the Bitcoin price can reach over 100,000 in the coming years. So based on the stock to flow model by Plan B, it's possible that the Bitcoin price can reach 100,000 by December this year. However, other models shows the Bitcoin price can reach 100,000 next year or the year after. So as a long-term investor, this is the best asset to invest if you're planning to hold this asset for a long time. Now let's review the current Bitcoin price. Let's go back to the Bitcoin USD pair under Binance Exchange. Let's remove or hide this indicator. You can turn back the moving average, volume, and switch back to daily time frame. Now let's try to find the current support and resistance. Here we know there's a support around 30,000 US dollars. So we can draw a rectangle here. And another support around 40,000 US dollars. And we can draw a trend line so we can see where's the resistance. So we can create a trend line from here here, touching the second data point here, or this is the previous diagonal line which shows some support here when the price drops back to around 40,000 US dollars. Here is a support which is a good buying opportunity, and now this is approaching and testing the resistance. We can also draw another pattern here which can be the falling wedge pattern, and this falling wedge pattern target is the top of the wedge, which is around 53,000 US dollars. Once Bitcoin breaks this resistance and retests successfully, then the price can go and maybe go for a new all-time high and continue to go to 100,000 US dollars by end of the year. Now, if you don't have any exposure yet in Bitcoin, you can wait for the price to drop below 50,000 and buy slowly. If it drops below 40,000, you can still buy slowly, and in case it drops around 30,000, then you can buy more. As the chart shows, there's a strong support around 30,000 US dollars. In the next video, we will review some altcoin charts which has more upside than investing in Bitcoin, and also how to buy and sell in cryptocurrency exchange. If you like this video, turn on the notifications and subscribe. Thank you for watching.